Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. How is your day going? I wanted to ask, and what perfume are you wearing today? This topic will be about perfume. So I was wearing perfume like as usual every day, guys. So I wear some kind of perfume, and every day it brings some kind of beautiful type of feeling, when you wear some kind of perfume. So did those perfumes that you were using today, guys, did it give you a very nice feeling for you throughout the day? That's the question that I would like to ask. But today's topic, guys, sorry, I will be very short and very kind of self-explanatory. So I want to talk to you guys about this perfume. This perfume is Opulent Musk, and I want to just kind of give it a sense for you. What is this about? So Opulent Musk is a Middle Eastern perfume that simply is kind of popular because people are very much attracted specifically for the bottle. The shape of the bottle, it's really like attractive, guys, this bottle, and people are curious, what is this about? So I also, guys, bought this perfume only because of the bottle, and also because, like, I heard many people say that it's very nice, but how nice is it? The question, how nice is it? Let's say, would I buy it again? I'm not sure, but am I happy to use this perfume? Very much so. And I would like to explain you guys what does it feel like to wear this perfume. So this perfume, in my opinion, guys, is a combination of Anna Abiath Rouge, which is dupe to Baccarat Rouge, and plus combination of Shekel Sujuk. So that's how I think, guys, that Opulent Musk is the feeling. If you would actually, if I would have a phone holder, I would put my phone and I would just kind of mix these two together. And right now, but I don't have a phone holder, so I just have to kind of talk as it is. So these are the feelings that it gave me, guys. So because I already have these two perfumes, Shekel Sujuk by LATTAFA, Anna Abiath Rouge by LATTAFA, I'm not sure if I would buy it again, but I am happy to wear it, to have this perfume. And the longevity of this perfume is wonderful, guys. It gives you this type of sweet, musky feeling with a certain Arabic vibe that actually lingers throughout the day, pretty long, and it gives you this type of cozy feeling. It's pretty potent, this perfume. I have black version of Opulent perfumes by LATTAFA. So I have black one and white one. So which one to go for? Go, guys, with the white one, because this white one is more versatile, more pleasant, and more approachable to the people, and perhaps also it's easier to understand this white perfume instead of the black one, because black one, it takes a little bit courage to wear because it's a little bit sharper. It has more oud, and it has more sharp type of Middle Eastern vibe that perhaps not everybody, guys, would like that type of feeling. So I would like to tell you guys that my scent of the day today, guys, was after 2 weeks, not using this perfume, I used it again. So I was using other perfumes just to test it out, but to be honest, I really missed to use this perfume. I like it, guys. I like Anna Abiath Rouge so much. It's a dupe to Baccarat Rouge. The price was in between 15 to 18 pounds, or in euros is similar as well. And I have never bought the real version of Baccarat Rouge because it's so expensive. I believe must be a little bit better quality there, but I don't think if I will ever buy expensive version. So really like this perfume. I have, guys, notes of this perfume. I don't normally have notes, but I have it. Let me read it for you. Actually. So in the notes of Anna Abiath Rouge is top notes pear, kumquat, bergamot, and middle notes is geranium, coriander, cardamom, then suede, ambergris, and vetiver. Not really self-explanatory, isn't it? I think there's supposed to be saffron in this perfume. Maybe in the website that I was looking for the notes, it wasn't saying there, but I think there's supposed to be saffron, saffron, ambergris. Like sometimes, I don't know, I get this vibe of a little bit like eccentric molecules, little bit, but it's very very rare, you know. There is something like floating in the air when you use this perfume. It gives you very cozy vibe. Let's say if I guys would compare, let's say Opulent Musk, and if I would compare, let's say, you know, this Anna Abiath Rouge, you know, I would say, guys, that I would prefer Anna Abiath Rouge, because Anna Abiath Rouge, guys, gives you more cozy feeling, you know. It gives you guys more cozy feeling because of that type of sweetness, and slightly even more, you know, feminine than I think this one is pretty feminine too, to be honest. Like, not super masculine, this perfume. So, but let's say if I would need to choose, guys, I would definitely, guys, would go with Anna Abiath Rouge, because it's so nice to wear, you know. Sometimes you might get fed up with the sweetness that you might feel in it sometimes. So, you know, as usual, like those people who can fed up very quickly with the perfumes, perhaps you might need to have variation of the perfume. I am one of those people, you know, that I am fed up with the perfume pretty quickly, you know. I am fed up with the perfumes, and I prefer to change it every day just to give me some kind of sense of difference, you know, throughout the day. Are you guys the same or not? Let me know in the comments. Do you change your perfumes very often every day, or do you have one signature scent and you're using it, you know, throughout your life? You know, I would consider, to be honest, like to have one signature scent. You know, I wonder, like, pretty, like, I don't know, like I prefer to have more signature scent than one. So Shekel Sujuk, guys. As I said before, Shekel Sujuk, guys, to me, it seems like a little bit included in Opulent Musk. You know what it is this about, guys? I think it's more, guys, about, you know, I show you. I think, guys, it's more about that probably oud that is in it, you know, that it's also included in Opulent Musk, that gives you, you know, that type of feeling as if Shekel Sujuk is inside there, you know. So, like, my explanation, guys, is like this. They are two together, mixed in this one, you know. Longevity is good, as I said before. You know, yesterday was wearing this perfume and I was feeling pleasant, guys. I was feeling pretty pleasant with this perfume. Feminine, musky, that type of sweetness, you know, that kind of like was projecting at certain points in the heat, you know. It was projecting pretty well. Like, there would be, you know, nothing similar to any other, you know, those designer perfumes, which gives you the sense of difference, you know, like sense of type of secret, you know, that nobody knows what perfume you are wearing, you know. It's very important, guys. Not important, but it gives you this type of interesting type of feeling throughout the day that nobody knows your perfume, guys. Middle Eastern perfumes are undiscovered type of field for many people. Like, you know, the price is amazing, the longevity is amazing, the uniqueness, they are always, guys, amazing. Like this, you know, I don't know, like pretty much like each perfume that you buy from Middle Eastern type of brands, they could be like as a signature scent because they are so unique, so unusual, and the longevity is just perfect, as I said before. So that would be, guys, my talk throughout the day. You know, as I said before, this is my perfume. Maybe, let's say, you know, maybe, guys, are supposed to spray it one more time, you know, just for a matter of fun. The longevity of Anna Abiath Rouge is pretty strong as well. You know, I was feeling, people are feeling this perfume around me. I was feeling it, and I was feeling myself. I felt pretty pleasant, guys, with this perfume. So that's all, guys. I will finish this video right now. We'll come back to you another day. What video, guys, you would like me to make next time? You know, I already made videos about man perfume, strong Middle Eastern perfume. You know, I made some videos. Let's think about together, you know, what else you guys would like me to talk, you know, about. So I wish you to have a beautiful day with your perfumes that you are wearing. You know, like, I hope it inspires you, you know, to continue your day, and I hope you are satisfied, you know, with your perfume. So I say bye bye, everybody. See you soon, very, very soon, and have a great day.